SCSS variables store a real value once and reuse it anywhere, so changing a color or size means editing exactly one line. In this video you'll build a real theme using variables. These real dollar variables store a genuine color and spacing value declared once at the top of the file. Using $primary color here genuinely inserts that exact stored value, no hard-coded hex code repeated in this rule. Changing this real single line genuinely updates every rule across the whole file that references $primary color. $variable value genuinely stores a reusable value in real SCSS. Referencing a variable inserts its real, current value at compile time. Changing one variable's definition updates every real rule that uses it. Extract 3 hard-coded values from a real style sheet into SCSS variables. Ready to write real CSS that mirrors your actual HTML structure?